Hello, hi. This area is banned for foreigners. Foreigners are not allowed to visit here. People think that this is a dangerous area. Especially the people of Punjab think so that this area is very dangerous because of their name. Because this area name is tribal area. Today I will tell you about the story of tribal area.
गिलास अजी दश्त करने
People of
तकिया
Punjab
गिलास
think that this area is full of terrorists, smugglers, absconders, criminals, rebels, robbers, kidnappers, and anti-national people. They are living there or
ये
here.
कहाँ पे है जुनेद
No one knows about this area because no one goes to visit this area. But it is not at all what people of Punjab think because they have believed the rumors. In this area, people die here for only some kind of diseases and problems.
Oh my
People
God.
died here due to gunshot wounds, cancer, hepatitis, women in childbirth, honor killing, and wild snake bites, and other died for country, become martyrs, means shaheed. But today I will tell you the true story of this area.
Is amazing. Wow.
Before 10 years ago, there was no road here. It is a hilly area. This area is covered with mountains. There were dirt roads, cheap roads. People have reared sheep, goats, and cows. The land is rain fed. Drinking water is not available for drinking. After rain, the water is stored in any way on the earth. The animals and humans drink water together from theirs. They called johars. This area is a beautiful area. Nature is so closed here. People love this area very much. Here, only one caste people living here. They are called Balochs, and their subcaste is Buzdar. Buzdar are educated, humble, and hospitable. People here are lively, hospitable, and cooperative. They respect the humanity. They respect all the castes. There has hotels, living areas. People also come from Pakistan to visit this area. Now this is open for everyone. Only foreigners are not allowed to visit here. These peoples are fond of
घंटा पेशा
net, cricket,
क्रिकेट
volleyball,
मिरकेट खत्म
tash,
तो अब
and other games. It is very beautiful area, safe for sightseeing, safe for visit. People are humble. Something if the government do here, then it become good for the people of this area and also for everyone. Give the basic rights of constitution to this area, like education, health, clean water, roads, electricity, and other things. 80% of this area has no electricity. 80% of this area there has no clean water. 80% of this area has no roads. 80% of this area has no education.
India
Even
capital
education is near about no education for women, like about 95%. Because this area has so far from city. No officer visit here. No other person visit here. Schools are totally off. Hospitals has no medicines. One hospital only in Bharti, also in Fazla. Other areas has no hospitals. And their doctors come in one visit only for 1 day or 2 days. No proper system of health. That's why the wild snakes bite the people and they not reach to any hospital. And these hospitals are always lack of the snake injection or other vaccines. So people are good, area is wonderful, people are cooperative, and 2 hotels are famous there. In Bharti, Baudin Hotel is famous. In Fazla, Jas Balyani Hotel is famous. These 2 roads in 2 areas connect the Punjab to Balochistan. This area is Tehsil Koh Suleiman and the village name is Bharti and Fazla. You are looking, this area is Bharti. And Punjab Sardar Osman Khan also selected from this area, this constituency. Imran Khan government select Sardar Osman Khan Gulzar, whose home is also in this area, Bharti. He make the development in this area, like give him stadium, upgrade the Bharti hospital. There has no Nadra and he make the Nadra office in his government. Make the bank. There is no bank, no ATM machine, and some kind of give clean water schemes also here. After going this, after the period gone of Sardar Osman Khan, no one has gave attention to this area. The stadium, look, now we are looking. The stadium, this stadium is also given by Sardar Osman Khan. Now from Pakistan,
drone padda pe thoda drone
just come here and play cricket. This is Wasim Buddha. He is also the organizer of this tournament. Here many youngsters playing tash together, playing card together, and they like playing golf. So this area is only for ban for visitor or foreigners because this area is full of minerals like chromite, gypsum, sonar, gold, iron, uranium, and other problems, other things. Lots of minerals here. These areas come in DG Khan, and in DG Khan the foreigners are not allowed. But the Pakistanis, each and everyone has allowed to come here and visit this area. There has, on the occasion of Eid, the tournament organized here, youngsters organized cricket from many areas of Pakistan. The youngsters came here and played cricket. Tash tournament means play card tournaments also should be held here, and youngster participates in playing cards here. This area need government attention. This area has lack of basic needs like water, food, road, health. In this area, main problem is hepatitis and cancer. There has no cancer hospital. There has no other big hospital. People has not know in which they have suffered. And from then the time is become over. So this area is open for all. Come here, visit here, and enjoy here in hot season.
It's amazing.
Many people come from Punjab here because this area is close to nature. If you like this video, then please subscribe. 1 minute and see you tomorrow. Thank you very much.